Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing the Boho passion twist. As you can see, I am using the Lulutress Bohemian 18-inch 1B in the crochet hair. And I am going to also use human hair so that I can do this boho look. This is my lovely god sister whose hair I will be doing today. So we're going to hop right into this video. I'm pretty much showing you how I section it off in box parting. I begin to install one piece of the Bohemian passion twist hair, and I'm going to start it off like a braid. I'm going to use her hair as that third leg as I'm braiding it down. And as I begin to braid it down, I'm going to braid it down far enough to where I can install the curly human hair piece inside of the braid. And I'm just going to feed it in between my pointer and my thumb. And I'm going to jam it down. And I'm going to continue to braid down a couple of times until I pull the piece out so that it can give that look, island look type that people try to go for with the boho look. And then I'm going to continue to jam. And when I get to a certain point, I am going to stop and separate her hair into two pieces, as you can see, to be evenly split into the crochet hair. And as I continue to do that, I'm going to jam down and then I'm going to begin to twist it. So as you can see, I'm going to start twisting left over right. And I'm just going to continue to twist all the way down until I get to a certain point where I want to feed in another piece of the human hair. And when I do that, I'm going to take like a clip to clip it out the way. And I'm definitely going to show you how I feed in that second piece on the way down this twist. So I hope that this helps you out of how to do any passion twists, even braids, when adding human hair extensions into the strand. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much longer. Once you continue, so you can see the end result. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Love you, trendsetters, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, walk up to the camera, just slightly right there, back up just a little bit. All right, now turn around. Yep, turn, give him a 360. All right, shake it a little bit. Yes. Turn all the way back around.
To the back?
Yep, to the back. Shake it, pull it apart a little bit. Yes, okay, turn back to the front. And how do you feel about this hairstyle?
I love it.
Yes, who did your hair?
Deanna Bailey.
All right. So yes, y'all, this is the final look of the boho passion twist. Hope y'all love it. Pull it to the front a little bit for the people so they can see. Yes, period. Period. Perfect.